Good morning, party people. Today's video is kind of quick and sweet. Did a dash on a car with an MCC unit in it over there at Rebecca's place. Yesterday we relocated from PA to Maryland. We're on the west side of Baltimore, kind of centrally located between a few people that I'm going to be helping. So we are here in the Maryland area. I picked up some hair trimmers. I'm going to kick off the morning by trying to trim my hair. It's hard to get a haircut as you travel, and these things are relatively inexpensive, but they don't adjust to really edge up the edges clean. So I don't know. Yeah, I guess they want you to buy two pair, one for cutting off the bulk and the other for trimming up the lines. But hey, the ones I got at home had an adjustment. I don't know, could be a safety issue. I'm going to do that after this clip. So if I have a tragedy, I have all day to clean that tragedy up. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Yesterday, after we relocated, I helped Ken do the PCV on his 850 GLT Turbo, which is a 97 model. Got a couple parts I need to get shipped out probably tomorrow, since today is Sunday. Who knows, I may even be able to watch a little bit of a football game today. I'm going to kick off today going into DC, help Ron with his radiator. He had a radiator spring leak and the hose, he said. He's got all the parts. We got some parts ordered for his clips and things from FCP. Man, they got here like overnight almost. So that was good. And you know, we're just going to check on a couple of the other people. I have a bunch of people, like 13 or 14 people scheduled. There's a guy in Virginia that thought he was not scheduled. So I'm going to send everybody that's already on the schedule a text message this morning letting them know that, hey, they are on the schedule. We are going to get together. If for some reason you believe you're in the schedule and you do not get a text message from me today, give me a call, remind me, send me a text, remind me, so that I can correct that. So don't want to leave anybody out that was already in the queue, and we're just taking it one day at a time. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Here we go, folks. Back in 850ville. What are we going to start off with today, ma'am?
Let's see.
We are about to do dash repair on Emma Jean. Man, this dash is just loose. Loosey-goosey. Look at it. Can you see that? Noisy. She's hitting the outside. I'm gonna get the inside. Gonna get this done. All the stuff. Pulling out that cabin air filter area. That glob and stuff there was there. Had to get you a cabin air filter, man. Be careful not to bust up your clock spring. Get all that stuff off. I pull the cable out because then I don't got to wrestle with this shift lock cable thing. So let me go ahead and keep getting this out. I got to pull the center console. We got a bulb to replace under there. And I hear that glove box door is busted, so I'm going to pull that out as well. And I'm leaving the bag on, so I need to reach under there and undo the wire harness. Somebody's had this out already or tried, because the screw's missing from here. I think I may have one of those. And we're going to keep plugging along. We're going to put a wheel stop in front of the wheel so when we pull it out of park, it doesn't roll away. Since this is an MCC, this thing may stay here. Just have to remove those two Phillips. Pull the front panel off and leave the back panel connected to the car. Pull that screw and that screw. Put the hole in there, worked it loose, got it unlatched. Yeah, that thing is broke. What we're going to do now is take the glove box open and replace this panel with the spare one she got, and then take the latch, use the latch, but we'll take the keyhole out of here and put it on the other door. Just use the whole other door. Look like somebody put the old radio code there. Not a bad place for it. None of these glove box sleeve screws are holding that in. So I released these, and I guess I'm going to go ahead and pry that down, pull that out. I'm going to leave the airbag and dash pad connected to the dash. I'm going to pull the whole thing out like that. I just need to undo the airbag wire harness just to make sure that's not connected. Unscrew that screw down there, pull the center console, pull a couple of screws out of there. Had to massage this MCC out. I'm going to unplug the power switch and recycle switch. Then I'm going to unplug the fan switches. Then I'm going to pull it out of the way. Then I'm going to unscrew the screw here. The screw's missing from there. That way we can pull this dash in without damaging any of this stuff. That'll stay with the car. When the center console's out, that's the best time to clean this up. Now if you got a thing damaged like this one here and you want to replace it, first thing you want to do is jerk the handle off, and then this thing just really is guided in place. You lift it up and massage it out, and then you can replace that. You can also clean under there real good. Then of course you come over here and get your light bulb out. You just pull it down and replace your bulb. Another thing you could do to cure this bulb situation is just do a manual swap. And you have the other bulb that goes around the cigarette lighter. You could check that one too. Looks like the recycle motor arm is busted. Yep, broke smooth off. I got one of those at home, but I don't think I brought it here with me at the hotel. We have one good mount here. The other three are busted. Busted, busted, busted. Nice hole there, and a crack hole down there as well. Great mix some epoxy, get this set, and then strap them. Get this train rolling. This is what I now use to re-support this dash. I use these thin rolls, and I use these screws here. Number 8, they could be 1/2 inch, 3/4 is not bad, but they have a very low profile head, as you can see there. So I'm using these screws and this strapping to support this. Now you can use just about any kind of plastic epoxy to get this stuff back where it belongs. You just want to get it set so that you can put these straps on, and when you put the straps on, it may break again, it may not, but the important thing is that these cast nuts are in the location that they need to be, and you can get those back in. See, I got 2 screws up here on the straps, 2 screws down here, so I got 2 down low, 2 up high. And man, that's already coming apart, that epoxy, but I ain't too much worried about that as I am having this thing strapped in place. Trying to re-support those 3 holes that hold the bottom dash panel up. Cut a piece of tin and ran it across the back. Now we're going to tap the screw holes in it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.